Okay, this is an LG 32 inches. It has the low power port. So specifically, it might be coming from the main board or the power board. So we're going to take a short troubleshooting. Like, uh, so we'll check the power first before the main board. Be sure about my power that is very okay. So I'm going to test with my meter. Actually, I was trying to confirm to be sure that the power is okay. So with this now, I'm very sure that the power is perfectly okay. So issue now is the main board. Careful while holding the panel because I can give a shock. We're replacing this board, the main board, with another one, a brand new one. So the brand new one, brand new. So we're replacing it with this one. As you can see. Okay, so we are done fixing. So as you can see, the TV is working perfectly. So right now we have to run it for 1 hour, and for the customer to come pick it up.